to side with the yes or the no, but this is just to
I would not expect you to cite anything, no?
clarify
Just give us
the
your
issue.
position.
Pag postponement po ang bill at postponement ang naging law, applicable ang Macalintal Doctrine. So yun po ang sinabi ng Supreme Court. So meaning to say, yung sinasabing dapat kinakailang periodic, regular, ang eleksyon, applicable. Dapat nandyan yung higher governmental interest, applicable. And such the other two requisites or criteria ng Supreme Court, papasok po yan. As against the pending bills now in Congress, lahat po ng nakita namin, postponement. Therefore, kung maipapasa po ito, the Macalintal Doctrine will be applicable. Natin, yun namang nangyari noong 2025. Ang kinwestiyon doon, yung batas na nag-fix ng term, fixing of the term of the barangay officials. From 3 years, napakatagal ng 3 years, naging 4 years. Kinwestiyon po ito sa Supreme Court. I-disregard na po muna natin yung whether may dissenting na 5 o may 8 majority decision, may 2 no part. Pero 852, ang sabi ng Supreme Court in this in that particular case, dinetermine nila basta in-increase mo o kaya binago mo ang term from 3 years to 4 years, ito ay term fixing. Paano yung hindi na tuloy ang eleksyon? As a consequence, incident to the fixing of the term. Ibig sabihin, wala kang choice kung hindi talagang wag kang mag-eleksyon kasi pinifix mo yung term. Talagang necessary yun para magkaroon ng proper transition. At yung po yung inexplain. Ang sabi ng Supreme Court through Mr. Justice Joe Lopez, sabi po niya, doon sa ginawa ng Kongreso na from 3 years to 4 years, regular ang eleksyon. Alam mo kung kailan pa rin na eleksyon. Fix pa rin ang term ng mga nakaupo. And therefore, walang na-violate na right to suffrage of the people. Kaya niya po sinustain ang Republic Act 12232. And therefore, hindi in-apply ang Macalintal Doctrine. Hindi po niya in-apply. Kasi nga po, hindi siya postponement kung hindi.
Follow-up question ko lang po. Yung term fixing na, yung word na fixing, is it there in the Constitution?
It's there in the lang po sa Constitution, Article 10, Section 8. The term of office of local officials shall be 3 years, except barangay officials which may be fixed by law.
Okay.
Fixed by law.
So nandun nga, kaya nga sabi ko, so ibig sabihin, yung exception of the barangay election as said in the Constitution, of course, we presume that to be the Congress exercising this, providing enabling law. Ang tanong ko ngayon, itong pag-postpone sa pagsabihin natin yung Macalintal, how is that not, pardon my ignorance, how is that not violation of the wordings of the Constitution that the barangay elections can be, except for the barangay elections, can be fixed by
Because
Congress.
po,
How can that be not violative of that
provision
vis-a-vis the Macalintal?
Because po yung Macalintal case, ang sinabi ng Kongreso, katatapos lang kasi ng isang eleksyon, medyo may disunity pa, and therefore, kinakailangan ma-unite muna yung mga tao, and therefore, pabayaan na muna, yung pong dahilan. Yun yung mga dahilan. And therefore, hindi po siya nag-fix ng term Nag-postpone lang talaga siya. At dahil nag-postpone, pagka po side by side mo, hindi applicable yung provision doon sa postponement na yon. Kaya po nag-reverse ang Supreme Court at sinabi ng Supreme Court na mali ang ginawa ng Kongreso na postponement. Nawalan yung periodic regularity ng halalan. So hindi po siya pumasok doon sa except barangay officials which may be fixed by law.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, can I just